Introduction to Level Span Adjustment Mode. There are two modes, Auto Mode and Manual Mode. Click the A icon to switch to M. M means Manual Mode. In this mode, manually adjust the level span settings below to rapidly modify the level and span, to quickly locate areas of interest and map them to corresponding colors. Click the M icon to switch back to Auto Mode. A means Auto Mode. In Auto Mode, the software automatically adjusts the level and span based on the current thermal image. On the right side is the Video Attributes menu, which includes infrared parameters, temperature measurement parameters, and device parameters. Emissivity settings. Check Material to select a preset material type from the drop-down menu. Check Custom to manually enter a specific emissivity value. Additional settings: reflected temperature, atmospheric temperature, relative humidity, target distance, optical transmittance, and dew point. Temperature measurement parameters refers to the maximum, minimum, average, and central temperatures of the current frame. Device parameters includes device model, frame rate selection, temperature measurement range, infrared resolution, file size, capture time, and modification time. Introduction to Video Playback Control. From left to right, the first one is previous frame. The second one is play/pause. The third one is next frame. And the last one is stop, ends playback and resets the progress to the start. You can select continuous autoplay or meanwhile. Continuous autoplay means the software automatically plays the next video in the folder after the current one finishes. Check this option to see it seamlessly play the next infrared video. Meanwhile means in two split screen mode. This allows two videos to play at the same time. Check this option. Enable two split screen. Load two videos. Click play to observe synchronized playback. Back to the original settings. Previous video. Click to play the preceding video in the same folder. Time jump. Enter a timestamp in the left field to instantly skip to that point. Let's demonstrate it. Next video. Click to play the following video in the folder. A No More Videos prompt appears when all files are played. Splice combines two videos from the same device model in two split screen. Switch to two split screen. Add videos. Click Splice. Confirm export and save to a specified path. You can find the newly stitched video in the specified path. The timeline displays current playback time and total duration. Play speed. Adjust the playback speed here. You will notice the playback accelerates significantly